Maybelline. Galing akong bakery. Bumili ako ng fresh bread made this morning. Fresh bread made this morning. Today's Friday. We had ballet this morning, okay? When something starts at 9 o'clock, best believe I'm just gonna be rolling out of bed. I'm trying face the tech right now. This is so cool. Like, look at this. Oh, can't catch me. Can't catch me. Got off the phone with my mum. That's the most hangout we could get for a day, you know, just speak for 2 hours and stuff. She's my only parent left. So I'm really trying to cherish as much as I can, even if it's just virtually. I also checked out that very, very cool bakery close by. They actually just open from Fridays through to the weekend, and then they're closed from Mondays to Thursdays, which keeps it quality, you know? What we're gonna do is we're gonna get through the swimming class and we're gonna come home and clean the house, because sometimes I just sneeze and everything is just like blah, everything is everywhere. Also, I got this today. This is a brand new cell phone. I have been contemplating to do the switch. This is a Samsung Flip 7 that's inside. We're gonna unbox her right now. I didn't get this. My husband got this for me. I have been telling him how I've been contemplating on doing the switch. I just wanted the whole... What time is it? 1:30. I need to pump too. The thing about pumping is that it is also a part of my day, which means I have to time my day around the pumps because I don't want to lose my supply. I feel so esteemed by looking at my son, how good he looks, how healthy he looks, that I just want to keep going. So they left this at the post today. Before the postman give it to me, he actually dropped the parcel. So I'm filming this for the sake that if it doesn't work, we can't return her anymore. She's been opened. Unless she's faulty. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I don't want to drop it because it's still sensitive. Let's see. Okay, I'm opening it for the first time. Oh, she's not opening. Postman, you better watch your back. Come on, mate. She's alive! Oh! Double alive! Oh! I'm already loving it, okay? I cannot explain how good this feels. Like, you wanna fight me? You wanna fight me? You wanna fight me? Bye. She's fine, okay? The postman didn't fuck it up, thank God. Swimming. We don't want to be late. We don't want to be late. What me do? The bar?
Where is?
30. You try it?
Yeah.
Yes, that's me. Thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. The best things in life are that simple. When my children are asleep.
She can't decide. She keeps on looking. Look in my eyes, searching it so wrong. I miss the scene and disappear right after the song. So give me the
You got it. Come on, mama. Yes! Yeah! Yaya? Naging yaya? Ginawa mo ko yaya ha? Do you like her nails? Trent is back. By the way, do you want me to blow your face? We have a little bit of rough morning. I had a rough morning, I'm not gonna lie. But this man sorted it out, so thank God he exists. We haven't been in the city for quite some time now, and there are a lot of updates that we're very keen to see today. So excited! But yes, now it's family time. It was meant to be date night, but it's okay. We evolve and we adapt. Also, I just finished watching Bridgerton season 4, and so far it is my favorite of all of them. Trent hasn't watched it yet, but I encourage him to watch it.
I don't really watch much TV.
He watches violence. That's his go-to. In Bridgerton world, I'd prefer Queen Charlotte at the very top of the list, and then season 4, because damn, that was such a what? He cannot relate because he hasn't watched it, but I'm pretty sure he'll be into it once he watches it. Anywho, just finished pumping.
Up. That one? It's chocolate as well.
We're currently at Beyond. This is our second time here since we ate so much at the grounds. We just wanted something that's a bit more peckish. A bit more peckish. And this is the place to be. As always, I am multitasking with the baby and eating. Also, he's just started saying mama this week, so. Purr. We have stopped at a 5-minute bay to feed the baby. He was screaming, so Trent's feeding him now. That's the reality of parenthood.